Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Billy Josiah's back with another video. As y'all know, giving y'all that good content. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Hit that notification bell. I know y'all like the videos. Let me know what y'all think about my videos. I got more and more to come. But this is just a video, a review, and not a review, but I'm gonna get to the point. I got this little thing from eBay. I was being cheap, as normally I'm not a cheap person when it comes to. I used to be a cheap person, but I found out you gotta pay for quality and all that good stuff. But while I live in this apartment, I bought this thing off of eBay. I'm gonna unravel it for y'all. So you got this water pump, pretty much garden hose or whatever. So you hook it up to. You got this to connect into the car battery or whatever. You got this to plug into the back. You got this to plug into the back of this to keep it to start it, and you got a little switch on there, as you can see. But this is what I use to wipe my car off now. I hated wiping it off without using a water hose, as in like pressure washer and all that good stuff. So this is the best way to wash your car. This is if you stay in an apartment, you don't really feel like spending money. Yes, you can go to Harbor Freight and get like a little pump like this. Not like this, but it's like a little green looking thing. I'm gonna put a picture of it up here. Ain't it but like 80 bucks or whatever like that. But I don't really need that right now because it's not that serious. But yeah, I use this and I use that. It didn't come with this. It came with another one, but I always had this. But I'm gonna get to the when I start wiping my car off, I'm gonna get to it. But I recommend, if you're wiping your car off, use this. Rinse. My bad, but I'm gonna get to it. I'm saying too much, but I'm gonna show y'all what it is and what it look like when I get to wiping the car off. But I'm about to install these LED lights inside the. I'm about to install these LED lights in a minute, but look out for another video.
Stay focused and do not depart. Stay right on the track. Revelation chapter 7 verse 4. And I heard the number of them which were sealed, and they were sealed 144,000 from all the tribes. And
make sure you wipe your car off in the shade. I'm doing it in the sun, so don't even do what I'm doing. Do it in the shade. You can do it in the sun if you want to, but do it in the shade. You'll really get a good clean wipe on it. Bucket filled back up. If you're doing this, bring 2 buckets. If you don't have a water hose in your apartment complex, wherever you at, bring 2 buckets. Inside the tube so that when you shoot it out, when you switch it over to from water to soap, it shoots out the soap from the wire soap. Give you like the best washing. Your microfiber towel and get it wet, as she said. rinse. Use regular water, no soap. Use regular water, rinse off the soap and all the dirt. Somebody go over it with a, you should call this thing a rag or an observant rag. Get all the water off and then do the wheels. Get the water off, do the wheels, and then go over the car with a microfiber towel. And that's it. I use a clean microfiber towel to clean the wheels off with. This is the microfiber towel I always use to clean the wheels off with. So when you use a microfiber towel, if you're using this to clean the wheels off with, don't use it on anything else but the wheel.
Different things that I want. It was the scriptures that fixed me. He prophesied in his song. Chapter 19 and 7. Ain't what we trying to heaven. You ain't gonna get that answer. Nigga, you gotta take it. Brothers ain't still who you want, but you must study up to know. If not, how you know you wrong? Correction. Do not despise correction. It serves a good objective. Lead you in the right direction. Now that ain't no doubt you never ever be perfection.
Then I got a double-sided microfiber towel. Wipe the car off with so you can use either side. My bad, I forgot. So when I do it like this, I don't use Windex. So I use this side to clean the windows with, so I don't have to waste Windex at all. So I just go around the car with the windows with this side. Real quick, it started fucking sprinkling and shit while I'm washing it off. It said it was supposed to be a sunny, breezy day, but you know how I go in Texas. Fucking rain cloud coming through. I gotta go pick up some tire shine, and then I'll be pretty much done with the car.
Just need a little push. Tears come out when you open this book. Hey, I've been thinking you white like a beef in the night. You can come. Maybe 517, you can make excuses. You can obviously but can't run. If it tell you don't even know good. But the walls are false, follow protocol. Little time riding can't afford to fall. We gon' tell you when you're dirty like a bathroom stop. Trying to tell the ball when the road won't stop. Price don't go for the head on top. Talk no, people like it or not. Sound get destroyed, no rap, never mind. Need you correct, shit, sound roll pop. When the old coming in, with a fed to a rock. Mess around and get us killed, you pop. All eyes on the perfection. You skip out on it, you perish.
Hey, and that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the video. Leave a comment. Make sure you leave that comment. Hit that notification bell so y'all can be updated when I make another video. It's your Village Josiah, and I'm out.